Welcome sa 4 parts. Alright, so ngayong araw ay mag-unbox tayo ng Comfast access point. From the side, like that. And then we have here. Okay, so this is... Okay, so we have Comfast outdoor high-power wireless AP. Okay, so ito ay powered by PoE. Here's the model CF-EW71 version 2. Okay, so it's 2.4 gigahertz ang kanyang radio frequency. Now let's get it on. Ang laman nito, so let's open it. Okay, so dito sa loob, ang unang bubungad sa atin ay yung ating Comfast AP. Alright, so ganito ang kanyang itsura, no? So, tingnan natin kung ito nga ba ay brand new. Baka naman, so wala namang seal dun sa box. Wala akong matatandaan na tinanggal kong seal dito sa box. So, nakakarton lang ito na ganito nung dumating, ano? So, wala po siyang seal whatsoever. Alright, so makinis na makinis ang ating Comfast CF-EW71 version 2. Okay, so that's one. Susunod dyan ay meron tayong power brick. This is the PoE power. Ito yung kanyang LAN cable or patch cable RJ45. Ito yung power cord ng ating power brick. This one is the tox. Pagka-drill nyo siya sa concrete or wood wall. And then ito yung mga antena ng ating access point. Ito naman at saka ito yung kanyang tinatawag na pole ties. This is made of stainless steel metal. This is its what's this? Certificate of qualification. Ito yung kanyang setup. Yan, meron siyang tatlong okay, ito yung kanyang modem na mostly Chinese ang napalagay. Access point lang talaga siya, AP lang talaga. Alright, so ang gagawin natin dito, kukonect natin sa modem and it should work. Alright, okay, so ayusin natin yung kanyang pagkakalagay, no? Right, so first and foremost we have the Comfast access point. Ito yung kanyang antenna. Yan. And then ito yung kanyang warranty card. Yung kanyang mga pole ties, LAN cable, PoE power brick, and we have the AC power cord. Meron tayong tox. And that's all. So yun ang laman ng ating Comfast access point. Alright, so ngayon naman ay iti-test natin kung gumagana nga ba ito. Let's see if the thing is working. So una tanggalin natin yung kanyang antenna covers, ano? And then I'm going to remove the antenna from its package like this. It is. Then let's install the thing here. There you go. And same to this one. And so meron na tayong Comfast access point. Now let's go to the power brick. This is the RJ45, sorry. And then we will go to the power brick. And also this one. Now this one is sealed, so let's remove it. Okay, so we now have this. And so the way it works is that you're gonna connect this one to the power brick. The end of the power And sa ating power brick, may dalawa tayong ports. This is PoE, sabi niya. And the other one is LAN. So yung LAN, dyan pupunta yung ating tinatawag na LAN cable. So this cable is plugged in directly to my ISP modem. So i-connect ko siya dito sa my LAN. Ayan. Come on. Okay. So it's now connected. Now, ito naman, I'm going to open it from here. Just press down. Ayan. Na merong dalawa dito. So, walang label. Tingnan natin dito. May label ba dito? Okay, so this is the label. So, PoE LAN. So, ito yung LAN. PoE 1. So, ito naman gitna ang reset. Ito, reset ito. Ito ay LAN. Ito ay 1. So, ito maganda rito pag kinabit mo sa camera na wireless, for example. I mean, sa camera na PoE camera, pwede mo i-connect dito. And then this one, dito mo ilalagay yung PoE cable. Kasi sabi niya PoE 1. Okay, so lalagay ko siya dito. Okay, so there it is. Now, pagkalagay, you can now put this thing back. So, ganun mo yung bandang gitna, no? So, okay. Alright. Okay. So, nandun na siya. Now, pag na-connect na natin yon, we will go here to the PoE. Right. So, everything is now connected. So, ito, pag naka-receive na ng power, it should be broadcasting already. Now, I'm gonna plug in now the power. Now, the power brick should already be receiving power, but there is no light indicator on the power brick, so you can see. All you have to do is to look for the power indicator of the access point. So as you see, our access point is already lighting up. So you can see because the light is very bright. So patayin natin. Ayan. So we have power already. It's indicated by the blue power here. Pero wala pa siyang Wi-Fi power. I don't know why. So let us now check our computer or our cell phone. Let's check if the AP is already broadcasting. Right, so it's indicated here that it already is broadcasting, if you see. And sliding up. So we have three lights here: the power, the network, the LAN, and we have the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's check if it's broadcasting. Now I think it is, kasi tingnan nyo, we already have Comfast here, 250 2G. Now let's connect to that. Alright, so our cell phone is connected already to the Comfast. Now let's check if there's internet. Okay, so we have internet. So nasa converge tayo. Right, so this thing is working. So I will not set it up anymore further kasi that's all I want to see. Gumagana yung Comfast access point na ito. Alright, so what we're going to do now is to disconnect everything and then put them back to the package, and this will be ready for the customer's use.